Guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix can't use my resolution on native resolution on Rocket League. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, you need to go to display settings and look for your native resolution. Scroll down until you see display resolution and look for recommended. For me it's 1920 times 1080. Then what you need to do here is to go to File Explorer. Then you need to go to Documents, then go to My Games. My game should be here. Then go to Rocket League, then go to TA game, then go to config, and then TA systems settings, right? Then press Ctrl F and write resx, right? Then hit enter. Then you need to put arrow until you see, as you can see here, resx and resy. And then you just need to write your native resolution here. Press save, and that's all you need to do here. Launch the game and your issue should be solved. If I help you out, please press like.